Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook page name. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook and click on the three lines on the top right hand side, then select this little arrow on the top right. It should give you the option to open up your Facebook page. And once you're on here, you want to click on your profile symbol on the top right. And again, on the top right, you should see a settings cog, so you want to click on that. Once you're on here, just scroll down. And you should see page setup, so you want to click on that. And then at the top, it should say name, so you just want to click on that. Then it'll just let you know if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. So you can just go onto your name and obviously edit it to however you want, then select review change. And once you've done that, it'll just say we may let your page followers know that the name was updated. Your name will be updated automatically if approved. So all you need to do is click submit for approval, and that should change your name of your Facebook page. Thanks for watching.